Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to create MetaTrader 4 account. First step, you need to download MetaTrader 4 app on your device and you need to open it. Once you are on the welcome screen, on the upper left corner, you need to tap on three-line icon. On this expanded menu, you need to tap on Get Started to open demo account on MetaTrader 4 account. Once you tap on that, on the top right corner, you can see the plus button. Tap on it. Now you need to tap on Open a Demo Account. On this page, you need to tap on MetaCodes Demo. Now, on this page, you need to enter your personal information and account information. Enter your name at first. It should be minimum 6 characters. Now enter your phone number. After that, you need to enter your email. Once you are done with filling the personal information, now you need to enter your account information. Tap on account type and choose the account type. For now, I am choosing forex USD. You need to enter the leverage. For now, I am selecting 1 by 1. Now enter the deposit. Once you are done with filling all the credentials on the page, you need to tap on Create Account at the bottom of the screen. Once you are done with that, tap on Done button at the bottom of the screen. So when you tap on the top left corner, on the top you can see that you have already registered on the MetaTrader 4 account. I hope you find this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button. Thanks for watching.